Hi there, I'm Shelley and Steps behind the camera.
Hi.
Today we're going to carry on with our kitchen project. If you haven't watched part 1, then please do. We've got our work surface here and behind me is our backsplash that we're going to attach first of all to this work surface with biscuits, and then we're going to put the work surface into space. After that we're going to do the wall at the back. Now the splashbacks are screwed into place. Now we've got to do the cupboards up here, and to finish everything off we've got to cover up all the cupboards down below. That will be in a couple of weeks' time, so see you then. Bye bye for now.